Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where square root of x plus 5 is equal to x minus 1, or squaring both sides we can write here square root of x plus 5 whole square is equal to x minus 1 whole square, or we know that this square comes through this square root, so here we will get x plus 5 is equal to, again we know that a algebraic formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. Now apply this rule. Here we can write x square minus 2 times x times 1 plus 1 square, okay, or x plus 5 is equal to x square minus 2 times x times 1 is 2x plus 1 square is 1. Or now taking this x plus 5 to right side and changing side, we can write x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x square minus 2x minus x is minus 3x plus 1 minus 5 is minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is a nice quadratic equations. Now here we can use middle term breaking rule, so we can write here x square minus this 3x can be written as 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Or now taking common x to first two term, we will get x times x minus 4, and taking common positive 1 to last two term, we will get 1 times x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now taking common x minus 4, we will get x minus 4 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x is equal to, taking this negative 4 to right side, we will get 4. So finally the value of x is equal to 4, and here taking this positive 1 to right side, we will get negative 1, so x is equal to negative 1. Now check our questions is square root of x plus 5 is equal to x minus 1. Square root of x plus 5 is equal to x minus 1, or here x is equal to 4, so we can write here square root of 4 plus 5 is equal to 4 minus 1, or square root of 4 plus 5 is 9, is it equal to 4 minus 1 is 3, so square root of 9 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 3, so we will get 3 is equal to 3. This is valid, and here we can write square root of x plus 5 is equal to x minus 1, or here x is equal to negative 1, so we can write here square root of negative 1 plus 5 is equal to negative, is it equal to negative 1, or square root of 4 is it equal to negative 2. We know square root of 4 is 2, so 2 not equal to negative 2, so our final answer is x is equal to 4. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.